I've waited 100 years.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa simbahang ito upang atin pong ipagdiwang ang pag-isang dibdib ni Jonel at Cheng, sakramento ng kasal. At alalahanin po natin ang sakramento ng kasal ay ang pag-ibig na ibinabahagi ni Jonel para kay Cheng at ang pagmamahal naman na iniaalay ni Cheng para kay Jonel na kanyang magiging kabiyak habang buhay.
If I had only
Garay, may ano siya. Palit daw tayo. Oo. O kaya to?
Asa Marites?
Asa Marites?
Masasan lang kaya to? This gift hopefully adds more, brings more to the natural beauty within you. You are beautiful in and out. That's what makes you really special. I love you multiple times. Tapan natin pag wala na tayong makain.
what I was living for.
Pakabox lang.
Orasan na buhay mo, bro.
Oo nga eh. Oras ka uwi.
Ilang oras ka uwi?
Uy!
Oras na, parang...
Sana. Mahal to eh, kaya hindi ko to binili. Thank you dun sa gift. Really appreciate much yung gift. Akala ko picture ng kung ano yung sinasabi mo picture, but picture pala nung parents namin. So, thank you.
Every kiss is a cursive line. Every touch is a redefining phrase.
Hello, Mr. Junel Reyes de Chavez. Love. This is it. Start na ma-convert yung ingat, drive safe, antay kita makauwi. Into good night, sleep na tayo, magkatabi. Di pala sayang yung pag-aantay ko ng matagal kasi sa tingin ko, worth it ka naman.
If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, well, I would have known what I've been living for all along.
Cheng, you are my love, the one that can make me feel complete. Naalala mo pa ang sagot sa tanong mo, bakit nga ba? Because you make me feel love and safe. Lagi mo akong inaalala and inaalagaan. You made my life complete even after the struggles and challenges I've been through.
Palazzo, welcome to the
Uy, ito ko double chin ah! Uy, nakakahiya naman!
Let's go, come on, let's go. Canals to the grotto, Monet, Rodin's and Picasso's, chandeliers and the fountains, I got those. Let's go, come on.
Jonel at Cheng, masasabi sa isang misteryosong paraan, kayong dalawa ay pinag-isa ng Diyos. At ipinunla ang sinasabi po nating pag-ibig sa inyong mga puso para sa isa't isa.
Every time I see you, I just wanna feel you. Pull me closer.
Omar.
Yun o. Thank you.
Uy, kitchen.
I would do anything. You complete.
Kelly. Wait lang. Kelly. Thank you! Mag-thank you na! ako before. I gave everything that I could. Pero in the end, iniwan pa din ako. Kaya next time that I'll fall in love, sisiguraduhin ko na papantayan din yung love and efforts ko na ginagawa ko. But I was wrong when I chose you. Kasi mas hinihigatan mo pa lahat ng ginagawa ko.